Dinosaur versus the potty. I wonder who will win. Let's find out. Rawr! I'm a dinosaur. Rawr! I don't need to use the potty. Rawr! Dinosaur versus making lemonade. Rawr, 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 lemonade. Rawr. Dinosaur wins and doesn't need to use the potty. Dinosaur versus splashing in the sprinkler. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Dinosaur wins and still doesn't need to use the potty. Dinosaur versus a three juice box lunch. Rawr, 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 rawr. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Dinosaur wins. And no, he doesn't need to use the potty. Dinosaur versus watering his pretend whale. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Spray, spray, spray. There's a pretend whale. Dinosaur wins again. You'd think that he'd need to use the potty, but he says he doesn't. Dinosaur versus splashing in rain puddles. Rawr, rawr, rawr. Splash, splash, splash. Dinosaur wins and does a victory dance. Wait a second. That's not a victory dance. That looks like a potty dance. Run, dinosaur, run! Can he make it? Can he make it? Can he get to the potty on time? The potty wins. Close one, dinosaur. Real close. Dinosaur versus the potty. Dinosaur drank and drank and drank and drank and played in the water and played with the garden hose and didn't need to use the potty. But all of a sudden, Dinosaur did need to use the potty, and he ran and ran and ran. And the potty was waiting for him. I like it.